Notice 2018-07 provides certain guidance regarding amounts included in gross income under Section 965. This video discusses the ordering rule example in Section 3.02d of the notice. USP, a domestic corporation, owns all of the stock of CFC1, a foreign corporation, which owns all the stock of CFC2, also a foreign corporation. USP, CFC1, and CFC2 all have taxable years ending December 31, 2017. As of January 1, 2017, CFC1 has no E&P, and CFC2 has 100 of E&P that are not previously taxed income. CFC1 earns 30 of income that is Subpart F income. CFC2 earns 20 of income that is Subpart F income. During the year, CFC2 distributes 40 to CFC1, and the dividend is not Subpart F income to CFC1 because it meets the CFC look-through rule of Section 954C6. Also during the year, CFC1 distributes 60 to USP. A CFC has three types of earnings under Section 959, C1, C2, and C3. C1 earnings are PTI resulting from a CFC's investment in U.S. property under Section 956. This example does not deal with investments in U.S. property, and we will ignore C1 earnings for this example. The two other types of earnings under Section 959 are C2 earnings, which are earnings previously taxed from Subpart F income, and C3 earnings, which are not previously taxed income, or non-PTI. We will first analyze the ordering rules for CFC2. At the beginning of 2017, CFC2 has no PTI and 100 of non-PTI for a total E&P of 100. During 2017, CFC2 earned 20 of income. All 20 of the income was Subpart F income. A Subpart F income inclusion does not change the total E&P, it simply reclassifies E&P from non-PTI to PTI. So here we show the reclassification of the 20 of Subpart F income from non-PTI to PTI. After the reclassification, CFC2 has 20 of PTI and 100 of non-PTI. The distribution of 40 from CFC2 to CFC1 first comes out of PTI. Since PTI is 20, the distribution is 20 of PTI and 20 of non-PTI. After the distribution, CFC2 has no PTI and 80 of non-PTI. There are no aggregate foreign E&P deficits to be allocated to CFC2, and so the Section 965A inclusion amount equals the non-PTI of 80. Again, because this is a deemed inclusion, it does not change the total E&P, it simply reclassifies E&P from non-PTI to PTI. After the reclassification, CFC2 has 80 of PTI and no non-PTI. Moving on to CFC1. CFC1 had no E&P at the beginning of 2017. CFC1 earned 30 of income, this is excluding the dividends received from CFC2. All 30 of the income was Subpart F income. The Subpart F income inclusion reclassifies E&P from non-PTI to PTI. The dividend that CFC1 received from CFC2 was partly a PTI dividend and partly a non-PTI dividend. CFC1's earnings before the 965 inclusion and before dividend distributions is 50 of PTI and 20 of non-PTI with total E&P of 70. There are no aggregate foreign E&P deficits to be allocated to CFC1, and so the Section 965A inclusion amount equals the non-PTI of 20. The deemed inclusion reclassifies E&P from non-PTI to PTI. After the reclassification, CFC1 has 70 of PTI and no non-PTI. The distribution of 60 from CFC1 to USP first comes out of PTI. Since PTI is 70, the distribution is wholly out of PTI. After the distribution, CFC1 has 10 of PTI and no non-PTI.